All right, y'all, so down here in Southeast Louisiana, we just got done with a serious hurricane. No lights for 10 days, but we back cooking. I got a beef roast, y'all. It's 4 pounds. Let's go. First, y'all, go ahead on and make some holes, okay? Don't go all the way through the roast, though. Just a nice little hole. It's about halfway through your roast, okay? Make about 7 holes. Y'all, so when I made the hole, go ahead and take your garlic. Of course, push that down up in there. Your green onion, go ahead and shove that in there as well. And then just cut it at the top, like so. Y'all check it out. So we did about 8 holes with the garlic and the green onion. We'll go ahead on, y'all, now. Try to remember somewhat where your holes are. Go ahead on and just flip it over. 7, 8 times on this side as well. We got the onions and the garlic all stuffed on both sides of our roast. Go ahead on and hit it with my Cajun seasoning. You could be a little generous with it, you know what I mean? On both sides, y'all, okay? Throw you some black pepper on there, y'all. Be generous with it. Go ahead on now, we got that seasoned up, we got it stuffed, it's ready to go. Get you some olive oil and just go ahead on and coat your little pan. Whatever you're gonna cook it in, just a little, not too much, just a little bottom coat right there. Olive oil tastes real good, so we'll go ahead like that. Go ahead up in there with the roast. And of course, your carrots, you can just leave them whole, okay? Put a carrot per person, you know what I mean? You're gonna feed 5, 6 people. Take them green onions we got extra, just throw those in there for the flavor, it's all good. As well as 3 onions. Throw them in there. A couple of pieces of garlic we had left over, we're just going in with that too. It's all good flavor there. Went ahead and peeled these potatoes ahead of time. I had them in a pot of cold water so they don't turn brown. Do 1 potato per person. So if you're gonna feed, say, 6 people, go ahead with 6 whole potatoes. Throw them up off in there. Check out how beautiful this looks. I'm sure you probably never seen everything left whole like this here, but just go ahead on and give it a try one good time. So I'm not going there with 2 cups of beef broth, okay? You got to have that, boy. Let me tell you, that's gonna be something good. Oops. Go ahead on and top that off with my Cajun seasoning. All right, get it on the vegetables, get it all over the potatoes, get it all over everything. Don't go too crazy, but something like this, okay? Check that out. Already know, hit that with that W sauce. You ain't gotta be scared of it. No, we love that. Go in there with 5 bay leaves, okay? So check it out, y'all. Now we're going in the preheated oven, y'all. It's at 350 degrees. I'm gonna put a top on this puppy. But like I said, for 3 hours, go ahead and check it. It should be plenty tender. If not, let it roll a little longer. Let's go. Y'all go ahead and check that out. That's about 3.5 hours, y'all. Look at that roast, how delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and make a plate. I made some rice and gravy to go with it. All right, y'all, check out that roast and gravy.